Hello friends, today we are learn capital letter alphabet A to Z with color name. A for apple. B for butterfly. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fingers. G for grapes. H for hen. I for island. J for joker. K for kite. L for lion. M for mango. N for nest. O for onion. P for pencil. Q for queen. R for rabbit. S for sun. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for fan. W for watermelon. X for Xmas tree. Y for yo-yo. Z for zebra. Let's paint red color. A for apple. B for balloon. C for cat. Yellow color. D for dog. E for elephant. F for frog. Orange color. G for goat. H for hand. I for island. Black color. J for joker. K for kite. L for lion. Dark green color. M for mango. N for nose. O for orange. Red color. P for pencil. Q for queen. R for rabbit. Yellow color. S for sun. T for tiger. U for umbrella. Orange color. V for volcano. W for watch. X for Xmas tree. Black color. Y for yo-yo. Z for zebra. Name. Red color. A for apple. Orange color. B for butterfly. yellow color. C. C for candle, dark green color. D. D for dog, sky blue color. E. E for egg, red color. F. F for frog, orange color. G. G for goat, yellow color. H. H for hen, dark green color. I for island, sky blue color. J. J for joker, red color. K. K for kite, orange color. L. L for lion, yellow color. M. M for mango, dark green color. N. N for nose, sky blue color. O. O for orange, red color. P. P for pencil, orange color. Q. Q for queen, yellow color. R. R for rose, dark green color. S. S for sun, sky blue color. T. T for tiger, red color. U. U for unicorn, orange color. V. V for van, yellow color. W. W for watch, dark green color. X. X for Xmas tree, sky blue color. Y. Y for YOYO, red color. Z. Z for zebra, let's learn. A. B. C. D. E. F. G. H. I. J. K. L. M. N. O. P. Q. R. S. T. U. V. W. X. Y. Z.